The Igbos believe in life after death, and because of this belief in life after death, they have two burial positions that is observed for the dead. If it is a man, the legs will be facing the compound or his house, meaning that even in death, he is still protecting his family. Then if it is a woman, the legs will be facing the compound, outside the compound or outside the house. That is, her head will be towards the house, her legs will be outside the house, meaning that she is going back to her father's compound, that she does not have the capacity to protect her family. Then there's another third position, although that one is rare these days. If somebody commits suicide, when the person has to be buried, the person will be buried face down, not face up. The reason for this is because the Igbos, apart from their belief in life after death, they also believe so much in reincarnation. So anybody who commits suicide is deemed not fit to come back to life again. So because of this belief, the person has to be buried face down so that the person cannot reincarnate, because it is believed that if the person reincarnates and comes back to life, the person may still commit suicide again or may live an abnormal life.